Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Health Advisor, the place where we explore healthier alternatives for a better lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of stevia, a natural sweetener that has been gaining popularity for its unique qualities. If you're looking to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more content like this. Now, let's talk about stevia. Stevia, a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, has garnered increasing attention in recent years as a healthier alternative to traditional sweeteners. Revered for its remarkable sweetness without the caloric baggage associated with sugar, stevia has become a popular choice among health-conscious individuals and those looking to manage their sugar intake. This natural sweetener's appeal lies not only in its intense sweetness, often several times greater than that of sugar, but also in its potential health benefits. Stevia is renowned for its negligible impact on blood sugar levels, making it a suitable option for individuals with diabetes or those striving to maintain stable blood glucose. Additionally, its zero-calorie nature has positioned stevia as a valuable tool in the ongoing global effort to combat rising obesity rates and related health concerns. As the demand for healthier alternatives to sugar continues to grow, stevia stands at the forefront of the sweetener landscape, offering a promising and sustainable solution for those seeking sweetness without compromise. This introduction sets the stage for a closer exploration of stevia's origins, composition, culinary applications, and the evolving scientific understanding of its potential health benefits. Stevia is a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. The sweetness of stevia is primarily attributed to compounds called stevioglycosides. The two main and most abundant stevioglycosides in stevia are 1. It contributes to the plant's sweet taste. 2. Rebaudioside A, Reb A, another major stevioglycoside. Reb A is often isolated and purified for use as a sweetening agent. 2. It is valued for its sweetness and is commonly found in stevia-based sweeteners. Apart from these main components, the stevia plant also contains other minor stevioglycosides such as rebaudioside C, D, E, and F, as well as dulcoside A, steviobioside, and rebaudioside B. The appeal of stevia lies not only in its sweetness but also in its natural, calorie-free composition. Unlike traditional sugar, stevia does not contribute calories to the diet, making it a popular choice for those looking to reduce calorie intake or manage conditions like diabetes. Additionally, stevia has a negligible impact on blood sugar levels, making it a suitable alternative for individuals who need to monitor their glucose intake. It's important to note that when stevia is used as a sweetener in commercial products, it is often processed and purified to isolate the sweet compounds and remove any bitter aftertaste. Benefits of stevia. Stevia offers several potential health benefits, making it an attractive alternative to traditional sweeteners. Here are some of the key benefits associated with stevia. 1. 0 calories. Stevia is a non-nutritive sweetener, meaning it provides sweetness without contributing any calories to the diet. 1. This aspect makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking to reduce calorie intake and manage their weight. 2. Blood sugar control. Stevia does not raise blood sugar levels, making it a suitable sweetener for people with diabetes or those who need to monitor their blood glucose levels. 2. In fact, some studies suggest that stevia may have anti-hyperglycemic, blood sugar lowering effects. 3. Dental health. Unlike sugar, stevia does not contribute to tooth decay. 3. Its use as a sugar substitute may help maintain better oral health by reducing the risk of cavities and other dental issues. 4. Natural origin. Stevia is derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, and it is often marketed as a natural sweetener. 5. Antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest that stevia may possess antioxidant properties. 5. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, which can contribute to various chronic diseases and aging. 6. Potential blood pressure benefits. There is some evidence to suggest that certain compounds in stevia may have a mild hypotensive effect, potentially contributing to the lowering of blood pressure. 6. However, more research is needed to confirm and understand this potential benefit fully. It's important to note that individual responses to sweeteners can vary, and while stevia is generally considered safe, moderation is key. As with any food or food additive, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially for individuals with specific health concerns or conditions. How to use stevia. Stevia can be used in various ways as a sweetener, either in its natural leaf form or as a processed extract. Here are some common ways to use stevia. 1. Fresh stevia leaves. 1. Wash fresh stevia leaves thoroughly. 2. Crush or chop the leaves to release their sweet compounds. 3. Add the crushed leaves to hot or cold beverages for natural sweetness. 4. Experiment with the quantity to achieve the desired level of sweetness. 1. Dried stevia leaves. 1. Dry stevia leaves by hanging them or using a dehydrator. 2. Once dried, crush the leaves into a powder using a mortar and pestle or a grinder. 3. Use the powdered stevia as a sweetener in recipes, beverages, or desserts. 1. Stevia extracts and liquid stevia. 1. Commercially available stevia extracts or liquid stevia can be used as a sugar substitute in various recipes. 2. Follow the recommended conversion ratios provided on the product packaging, as the concentration of sweetness can vary between brands. 3. Liquid stevia can be added drop by drop to beverages or used in baking. 1. Stevia packets or granulated stevia. 1. Many brands offer stevia in a granulated or powdered form, often in individual packets. 2. Use these packets as a one-to-one substitute for sugar in recipes. 3. Granulated stevia can also be measured and used in a manner similar to sugar in baking. 1. Baking with stevia. 1. When using stevia in baking, it's often recommended to combine it with other ingredients to achieve the desired texture and consistency. 2. Some recipes may require adjustments, as stevia does not provide the same volume and structure as sugar. 3. Experiment with recipes gradually, substituting part of the sugar with stevia until you achieve the desired taste and texture. 1. Beverages. 1. Add stevia to hot or cold beverages like tea, coffee, lemonade, or iced tea for a calorie-free sweetening option. 2. Adjust the amount to suit your taste preferences. 1. Cooking and sauces. 1. Incorporate stevia into sauces, dressings, or marinades to add sweetness without the calories associated with sugar. 2. Be mindful of the concentration, as stevia can be significantly sweeter than sugar. Remember that the sweetness of stevia can vary between different products and brands, so it may take some experimentation to find the right balance for your taste preferences. Additionally, some people may detect a slight aftertaste with certain stevia products, so trying different brands can help you find one that suits your palate. Before you embark on your stevia journey, a few tips. The sweetness of stevia can vary, so start with small amounts and adjust to your taste. Some people may detect a slight aftertaste, but trying different brands can help you find the one that suits your palate. And there you have it, a sweet introduction to the wonders of stevia. It's a natural, calorie-free option that can make a positive impact on your health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite ways to use stevia or any questions you might have. Until next time, stay sweet and stay healthy.